Hey, what's going on? Alright, I got a new thing in today. I'm gonna do a open box review on it. It's here. It's a 2-in-1 18 gauge air and nail stapler from Harbor Freight. I had a sale on them and I needed one, so I went and bought one. Let's see what it comes with. Alright, the box here. You get an instruction pamphlet of it. Get an Allen wrench, 2 of them, and you get the gun. So here it is. Look here, I think it's really cool. You got this little red thing right up here inside, and it will tell you how many staples or nails you got when you're getting low. It'll pull it out and show you. Yeah. Slide that open. Put your staples and nails, they'll go down here in this groove. And shut back. And this says, oil daily or warranty is void. I guess you got oil it daily. Here on the side, tells you the nail type, the size, and everything. If you're using nails, you got 18 gauge. You can use from 5/8 of an inch to 2 inches long. And the staples, you can use from 5/8 to 1.5 inches long with 18 gauge. And it's gonna be so quick for doing trim work and paneling and different stuff. And this piece here will come out where you can just straight nails. And lock it back down. That's cool because it's got a depth lock on it. But that's the opening of it. When I got some projects to do, and when I do them, I'm gonna post another video how well it actually works. I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all have a good day. We'll catch you on the next one.